Welcome back MH Car Review, and today we are looking at something that is going to absolutely blow your mind. This is the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome, and yes, you heard that right. Bugatti, the legendary French hypercar brand known for building the fastest and most exclusive machines on the planet, has taken that same philosophy and applied it to a motorhome. This is not just any RV. This is a $2 million rolling palace on wheels, and everything about it screams pure luxury, raw power, and next-level engineering. So let us get into it. Starting with the exterior, the moment you lay eyes on this machine you immediately know it is something special. The design language is unmistakably Bugatti. You get that signature horseshoe grille reimagined in a massive format at the front, and the entire body is wrapped in a deep matte carbon fiber finish with those iconic red accents cutting through the bodywork like lightning bolts. The aerodynamic silhouette is incredibly low and aggressive for a vehicle of this size, with sweeping curves that flow from the front all the way to the rear in one clean, dramatic motion. The coach body itself sits on a specially engineered platform that keeps the roofline surprisingly low for a motorhome. You get flush-mounted windows, a massive panoramic sunroof that runs almost the entire length of the coach, and deployable side steps that slide out electronically when you open the entry door. The wheels are massive multi-spoke forged alloys finished in gloss black with red brake calipers peeking through, which is a direct nod to Bugatti's hypercar lineup. There are also active aerodynamic elements built into the body, including a rear diffuser and side skirts that adjust based on vehicle speed. The overall length of this motorhome is approximately 45 feet, yet somehow Bugatti's designers have made it look sleek rather than bulky. That is a serious design achievement. Now let us step inside, and this is where things get truly extraordinary. The moment you enter through that wide carbon fiber framed door, you are greeted by a living space that feels more like a five-star hotel suite than a recreational vehicle. The flooring is hand-laid Italian marble, the walls are finished in hand-stitched leather sourced from the same suppliers that Bugatti uses for their hypercars, and the ceiling features ambient LED lighting that can be adjusted through a central touchscreen control panel. The main living area features a full L-shaped sofa finished in premium Alcantara, a retractable 85-inch 8K television that rises from a motorized compartment, and a climate control system that maintains perfect temperature throughout the entire cabin. Moving toward the rear you will find a fully equipped gourmet kitchen with a built-in espresso machine, wine cooler, induction cooking surface, and custom Bugatti-branded appliances. There is a dedicated dining area with seating for 6 people that converts into additional sleeping space if needed. The master bedroom suite is at the very rear of the coach and it is pure indulgence. You get a king-size bed with a hydraulic lift system that raises the mattress to your preferred sleeping height, custom memory foam bedding, and bedside panels with wireless charging pads built in. The bathroom is finished in white onyx with gold hardware, a rainfall shower, and a deep soaking tub. Every surface, every detail, every texture in this interior has been obsessed over in a way that only Bugatti can deliver. Now let us talk performance because this is a Bugatti and performance is never an afterthought. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is powered by a twin-turbocharged W16-derived powertrain that has been adapted specifically for this vehicle. We are talking about somewhere in the region of 1,000 horsepower being delivered through an all-wheel drive system with active torque vectoring. For a motorhome this is completely unheard of. The acceleration numbers have been quoted at around 4.5 seconds from 0 to 60 miles per hour, which is faster than most sports cars on the road today. The suspension system uses an advanced air ride setup with adaptive dampers that can switch between a comfortable cruise mode and a firmer handling mode at the press of a button. The steering is electronically assisted and surprisingly responsive given the sheer size of this machine. There is also a full suite of driver assistance technologies including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, 360-degree camera systems, and a radar-based collision avoidance system. Stopping power comes from a set of carbon ceramic brakes that were developed in partnership with the same team behind the Chiron Super Sports braking system. Now the big question. What does all of this cost? Well, as you might expect from the Bugatti name, this is not an entry-level purchase. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome carries a base price of $2 million, and that figure can climb significantly when you start adding bespoke customization options. Bugatti offers a full personalization program where buyers can specify their own paint colors, leather colors, interior wood trims, wool finishes, and even have their personal monogram embroidered throughout the cabin. When all the options are added in, total ownership costs can reach closer to $2.5 million. This is truly the most exclusive and extraordinary motorhome ever built. Bugatti has proven once again that they can take any vehicle segment and completely redefine what is possible. If you enjoyed this review, please hit that like button and subscribe to MH Car Review because we have a lot more incredible content coming your way very soon.